This is the story of James the Mental Engine. It was a beautiful morning on the Northwestern Railway, where all of the engines sat at Tidmouth Sheds, awaiting for their controller, Sir Topham Hatt, to give them their jobs for the day. "Oh boy," said Thomas excitedly. "I cannot wait to figure out our jobs for the day."
"Patience, Thomas,"
said Edward.
"Sir Topham Hatt will be here soon enough. You'll just have to be patient."
"I wonder who's going to get the mail train today," Percy peeped.
"Ho, ho, ho," wheezed Gordon. "The mail is not as important as the express. If anyone's going to get that, it's going to be me."
"Oh, hush, Gordon," said James angrily. "Of course you always boast about the Dawn Express. Why can't Henry do it? Why can't I do it? Why is it always you?"
"Oh, James," said Gordon, "the only reason why I get the express is because I'm a big and strong engine." "Silence, all of you!" said Henry angrily. "You do not decide who picks the jobs. That is Sir Topham Hatt. We must wait for him, and he will assign our jobs."
"He is right, Gordon. We have to wait for Sir Topham Hatt." As Thomas said that, there came Sir Topham Hatt himself.
"My fair engines,"
said Sir Topham Hatt excitedly,
"I know you all have had a really good night's sleep, but today we have really important jobs to do, so now I shall assign them to all. Thomas, you are assigned to Arnie and Clarabelle on your branch line."
"With pleasure, sir," said Thomas.
"Percy, you have been assigned the mail train tonight."
"My favourite, thank you, sir," said Percy eagerly.
"Henry, you are assigned the flying kipper for tonight."
"I'll do my best, sir," said Henry.
"Edward, you are to collect tankers and take them to the mainland."
"Your wish is my command, sir," said Edward.
"Gordon, you are assigned the express."
"Oh, thank you, sir," said Gordon.
"And James, you are assigned to take some trucks over to the mainland. I know all of you are very eager to work. I will leave now and you will get on your way."
As Sir Topham Hatt left, James was angry. "Are you serious?" said James in a fit of rage. "Why do I always get the trucks? It's not like Thomas can't do it. So why is it always me?" "Oh, lighten up, James," said Thomas. "By the end of the day, we'll all be back at Tidmouth Sheds, so there's nothing to worry about." "Sure, easy for you to say," grumbled James to himself. Later on, James was impatiently waiting for Diesel to come with his trucks. Then James had a biff from behind. "Oh!" wheezed James. "Be careful with those trucks, Diesel." "Oops. Sorry, James," wheezed Diesel as he backed away from the train. "Tch, rotten Diesels," said James as he puffed away with his train. "Oh, stupid Diesel, stupid train, stupid all of this. I can't wait to be back at the shed. Couldn't be Thomas, couldn't be Percy. Oh, it had to be me." James puffed off and on all day till he got to his destination on time.
Ba da 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 da.
"Oh, we shit, Gordon, why won't ya?"
Oh, why are you on the wrong side of the buffer, James? Said Gordon. Oh, don't tell me. Are you about to pull a train and you need bootlaces? Oh!
I said, "Come it!"
Gordon was deeply shocked. James had never snapped at him like that before. Oh, now what is that sludge in your boiler? Said Gordon. How dare you speak to me like that? I'm an important express engine.
I don't care what you are. I am in no mood. So be quiet and let me refill in peace.
That night, James was the first one to get to the sheds.
Well, looky here. First come, first serve,
said James excitedly.
I can't wait to tell the others about this. Ha ha! Oh boy.
Second to come to the shed was Thomas, slowly but surely. Oh, what an amazing day, James. I mean, it was just me pulling Arnie and Clarabelle, but you get the gist, I think. I heard you and Gordon had a bit of an encounter earlier today. Would you like to tell me about that?
And why would you care, Thomas? He was just humming his darn theme song over and over. It was annoying. It gets to your mind.
I'm not really bothered by him humming his theme song. I find it quite amusing, but you do you, I guess, James.
Thank you for kind of understanding, Thomas.
Unfortunately for James, for the next 3 days following, James had to take more and more trucks everywhere across the island and the mainland.
Oh, all these trucks, they're getting to me, man.
While James was on his way, he saw Thomas refilling some water.
Thomas, please stop.
Oh, okay, do theme songs bother you? Is that why you snapped at Gordon?
No, it's not that. It's just, I am not in the best place and mood right now.
Oh, I completely understand. Why is that, though?
Oh, these darn trucks, over and over again. It's the same every day. Pull this, pull that. It's all the same.
Thomas then remembered, on James's first day, he had a giant crash related to the trucks, and if Thomas didn't come to his aid that day, it would have been very likely that James would have died of his injuries. Flashback. Thomas, thank you. You saved me. Now, why wouldn't I save you, James? You're an engineer on the Northwestern. We look out for each other. We are friends. Friends? I like that very much. Let me tell you this, James. If you're not feeling okay, and you need someone to talk to, I'm here. Remember that. I will, Thomas. I will.
No, please. No. Ah! No. I'm bleeding. My face is bleeding. Help, please, someone. Oh, it was just a dream. Oh, God. Oh, good thing I didn't wake anyone up. It's always the trucks. Oh, sir!
Yes, James.
Why do I always have to pull the trucks?
Because, James, there's not that many engines that are available to do it right now. You're a very reliable engine.
I know I'm reliable, it's just... Do I at least get a brake van? I haven't had brake vans in the past 2 days.
Unfortunately, Toad is with Oliver. Bruno is in the steamworks after having a panic attack. And no other brake vans are not assigned, usable. Because other engines are using them. So you have to go without.
Fine, sir. Darn trucks, always the darn trucks. Hey, look, it's the big red monster.
Maybe don't need a bootlace this time.
Quiet, everyone. Let's throw him in the mud puddle so he ruined his bright red paintwork. You being so weak is why your kind was scrapped. Don't you ever talk about them like that.
I'm getting to him, guys. Let's do this.
What a very splendid afternoon. I wonder how James is holding up. I heard something's wrong, but I don't know if that's true or not.
And maybe you should have died in that crash on your first day.
What?
Oh, what the? James? And that's right. You were better off dead. I did it. I called him off. Oh, look at it.
Now listen here. You don't ever say that to me.
James, stop this! Oh, now what's this? How did... You're strong. You'll pay! James! Well, it looks like you're not as pathetic as you... James! What have you done? James, no! I killed him! I killed him with everything! Alright. I am a big red monster. Look at me, Thomas. Look at me. Please, Thomas. Thomas. Please. Kill me. James. No! No! Don't say that! Please! Don't! Please! Stop this! No! Well, this isn't you! This is never you! I can't, Thomas! I can't! I can't take it anymore! All the pain, the years, all the times he made me pull out. It brings back those memories. I'm nothing, Thomas. Nothing. No, you're something, alright, James. You're my friend. It hurts seeing you like this. Please, let me help you. I can help you, please. Don't bother, Thomas. There's no helping me. I have nightmares all the time. Please, James, come with me. I'll take you to the Steamworks. We can help you feel better. Please, just go to my track and I will lead you to help.